Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a chat folder over on the Telegram app. So if you want to create a chat folder in order to just sort out your messages if you're having a lot of messages, then here's how you can do this. So all you need to do is basically just open your Telegram app, and once you've done that you want to go to the bottom right corner of your screen and you want to go to the settings page right here. And once you've done that you will literally right here see chat folders. And once you've clicked on that, you can literally just create a chat folder by simply clicking on create a folder. Now what you need to do is name this folder. So for example, I name it test. And then what I want to simply do is make sure to click on include chats and you want to add chats. This can either be contacts, non-contacts, groups, channels and bots. So for example, I want to make a folder that basically just sorts out all the messages I'm getting from my non-contacts. Then literally all I do is click on non-contacts, I click on done, and then I simply click on create just like this. And we can now see that this little folder has been added. And when I now go to chats, we can literally just right here see that this new folder just popped up, where you then will see all those non-contacts messages if you get them. So that's basically how you can create chat folders over on Telegram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.